Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Ahmad Sandi Kurniawan. NIM 2002010038. Computer System Awakening Study Program. In this video, I will explain about 10 basic elements of computer function. The function of each component in a basic element of a computer is 1. Input device. Input device is a computer hardware that functions as a tool and enter data or command in a computer. 2. Output device. Output device is a computer hardware that serves to display the output as a result of that processing. The output can be in the form of hard copy to paper, soft copy to the monitor, or in the form of sound. 3. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is the brain of a computer system and has two parts of functions, namely ALU, Arithmetical Logical Unit, as a data processing center, and CU, or Central Unit, as a computer controller. 4. Memory. Memory is divided into the parts, notably internal memory and external memory. Memory is the form of RAM, random access memory, which serves to temporarily store programs that we process, and ROM, read-only memory, which is memory that can only be read and is useful is as a provider of information when the computer is phase turner 1. 5. Data bus are that transfer parts between modules in the computer system, because at any given time each channel can only carry a byte of data. The number of channels determines the number of bits that can be transferred. The width of this data bus determines the overall system performance. The data bus usually consists of all parallel lines. 6. Address bus, used to indicate the location of the source or destination in the data transfer process. In this part, the CPU will send the memory address to be written or write. The address by usually consists of parallel lines. 7. Control bus. Control bus is used to control usage and across to the data bus and address bus. The control bus consists of 4 to 10 parallel lines. 8. Register. Register is a small stroke device that has a fairly high cache space, which is used to store data and all instructions that are being processed. This memory is temporary usually used to store data when processed, or data for further processing by analog. This register can be linked to a memory in the brain if we do data processing manually, so that the brain can be likened to a CPU, which contains memories and control units that regulate all body activities and has a place to perform calculation and logical compression. Unit 9. Storage. Understanding storage is storage media used to store data in processed by a computer. Storage is divided into removable storage and non-removable storage. Storage properties in storage cannot be separated from the process of selection. The properties of storage related to the process of electricity are divided into types, namely valid light and non-valid light. 1. Valid light is the current in storage that remains even though the light is turned off. 2. Non-valid light is the contrast in the storage will be lost when the light is turned off. 10. Bus. Bus is a communication path that connects to or more computer device. An important characteristic of a bus is that it is a shared transmission medium. A number of devices are connected to the bus. A signal transferred by one of those devices can be received by any of the devices connected to the bus. Two devices transmitted at the same time. The signals will overlap and become close. Thus only one device will successful transfer and give moment. Generally, a bus consists of a number of communication paths or channels. Each channel can transmit signals, indication binary 1 and binary. A series of binary digits can be transferred over a single channel by collecting multiple channels from a bus. It is possible to transmit binary digits simultaneously parallel for example, and each bit that unit can be transferred over an 8-channel bus. A computer system consists of a number of different buses that vary apart between two components of various levels of the complete system history. About a bus that connects the main computers of a computer, CPU, memory, input and output, is called a system bus. A common computer instrument structure is based on the use of one or more system bus. Okay, that's all in Kansen IN. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.